Better guys.
Yes, sir. I needed a battery for a 2014 Scion TC.
2014 what now?
Scion TC.
Scion. That's a group size 25, I think. Let me see. What year's the battery again, sir?
The car. 2014.
2014?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It says 24F, 600 CCA. 24F.
You said Scion, correct?
Yes, sir. Scion TC.
TC. All right, hold on for 1 second. Let's see. That is a 24F. We got that battery in stock for you.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. We got it. We got it reconditioned, sir. Half the price than going anywhere. The retails around about $200. We got it in stock for you for $80 plus tax. Turning with the old core, come with a 1-year warranty.
Okay, 80.
It's 80 plus tax. With tax, you're looking at $90.99, sir, out the door with a 1-year warranty.
And there's good batteries, right?
Yes, sir. I mean, you can go to our website and see all our Google reviews. Got about 5-star review, and also too for the past 3 years we've been featured in the national news as well. So we consider it as the world's best reconditioned battery.
I'll be there shortly, boss. Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Hopper, call for extend.
Better guys.
Yeah, I was wondering if you had a used or reconditioned 6-volt golf cart battery.
How many you need?
Well, I just need one.
One? Yes, sir. We do. We got it in stock for you.
How much is it?
Let me make sure that we still got that one in stock for you. Hold for 1 second. No, sir. We just tested it. It's no good. We're out of stock right now, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, we're out of stock.
Okay. How much do y'all usually sell it for?
$79.99 plus tax with a 1-year warranty. Turn with the old core.
Okay. All right. Well, do you usually pick them up off and on?
We do.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, I'll get back. Like I said, one of the timber got loose on one of these batteries in the golf cart, and it actually burned a hole right there in the battery, and burnt the terminal off. And I was trying to get it going for the grandkids to fool with a little bit.
Okay. All right.
I need to replace them all. So.
Gotcha.
All right. Well, I'll check back with you later.
All right. Thank you, sir. Bye bye. Better guys.
Hey, I want to know if you have a battery for my automobile.
All right. What's the year, make, and model of the vehicle, ma'am?
I've got a 2009 Chevy Colorado.
2009 Chevy Colorado. All right.
Yep.
All right. How did you hear about us?
Google.
Google. Okay. All right. Good old Google, huh?
I Googled used batteries in Pensacola.
Got it. All right. Let's see here.
And I like the name. I picked you first because your name was cool. Battery Guyz. I like it.
All right. Appreciate that. Group size 86. Okay. Got that battery in stock for you, ma'am. Showing that our competitors have that same battery for $205. We actually got it in stock for you for $80 plus tax with a 1-year warranty. Turn it with the old core.
Awesome. Okie dokie. And are y'all going to be working tomorrow, or are y'all taking the day off?
We work tomorrow and Saturday.
Yeah, I hear you. Me too. Okay, sounds good. I am going to confirm, make sure it's not the alternator. I don't think it is. And then, so I'll bring you my battery, and you'll give me a better battery for $80.
It'd be 80 plus. At the door, you're looking at $91. Question for you. Did you need install or you just need the battery?
I'm just going to get the battery. I won't drive it across town.
Okay. All right. So, yeah, at the door.
I mean?
Yeah, I understand definitely. So, at the door, you're looking at $91. That includes tax with a 1-year warranty, turning with the old battery.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you for the call.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Battery Guyz.
Hi, I was just trying to see how.
Okay, say it again, ma'am.
I was just trying to check out some pricing on the battery.
Okay.
My 2020 Elantra.
What's in your make and model of your vehicle?
It's a 2020 Hyundai Elantra.
86 and 121R. Okay, we got that battery in stock for you.
Okay, how much is that going to be?
Did you need a battery or did you also need install?
Install as well, I guess.
Okay, all right. Well, the battery itself out the door would be $91 plus additional $30 for install. So you're looking at right at $121 with a 1 year warranty. A 1 year warranty.
With a 1 year warranty. And how much would it be for just the battery without install?
$91. Turn it with the old battery. Turn it with the old battery though. That's the battery exchange. Without the old battery, it's additional $20 core charge.
Gotcha. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I just spoke to you a few minutes ago. I finally got my car jumped off and I'm on the way. It says I'm going to be there around 4:30.
Okay.
I just want to make sure that's okay.
Yeah, that's fine. We're to 5 o'clock.
Okay, perfect. And do you guys take tap and pay?
Do we take what now?
Like tap and pay, like Apple Pay?
Yeah, we do. Yes.
Okay, awesome. All right, I will see you soon.
All right. Thank you. Battery Guyz.
Hey, y'all open till 5 today?
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
I'm here. I'm going to bring up some batteries to sell.
Okay. All right. Sounds good.
I'll be here within the hour. Thank you.
Thank you.